Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to be looking at ripping all of this stuff out of the Horsebox. All of the sofa, the table, the kitchen units, all these high level units too, all of the furniture, and in the back we're going to be looking at taking out all of these separators, all the steel, all the bars on the windows, and even all this straw and muck that was nicely left in the back for us has all got to go. I'm sure that's going to be the most glamorous job yet. So the plan was to show some footage in the early stages of ripping all these things out. However, unfortunately, I had an issue with my SD card that I was recording on the GoPro, and a lot of that footage has been lost, which I'm absolutely gutted about. But the show must go on. So we're having to resort to lots of stills, pictures of the progress that we made throughout stripping out the truck. We've got some short clips which I'm going to make sure I include too. So you're probably seeing them now already. In fact, I know you're seeing them now already. So I'll shut up a little and play a little bit of music and you can see how we got on. You get a bit of weight on that corner, the way we want it to snap. So we draft.
Pete, I think you've got an hole in your floorboards, mate. Near back somewhere. You know, in that back corner. Just over that way somewhere. Just about there. Yeah.
Guys, thank you so much for tuning into this episode. Your support means so much to us. Again, I feel like I need to apologise for the lack of video footage in this one. Like I said, the SD card had some sort of catastrophic failure and it didn't want to play. We recorded hours of us all time-lapsed, ripping everything out. So stay tuned in the future. There is going to be better footage. There is going to be more stuff. Next episode is going to be scrubbing away at the underneath of the truck and coating it all up in a weatherproof coating, making it all nice and protected for the future. Stay tuned for more. Keep joining us for the journey. Thank you so much.